Guys, I hope you're doing well today. This video is going to be all about the lips. So if you want to see how I attempt to get my lips a little more full, just keep on watching. Okay, so as you can tell, everything else is on me. I'm all done. It's time for lips. So I don't have the thinnest lips in the world, but I also don't have the fullest lips in the world. And I also don't have the funds to get fillers. So that's not going to happen. So on days when I really want to try, and this isn't on the daily, this isn't for me to go to work, this is if I'm going out, I've been trying something a little different and I've liked the results. By no means is this revolutionary, it's not, but some of you might just not know how to do it or whatever, and I just thought, let me put in a video. So here we go. So I'm going to do a combination today. So by no means are these the products you need. This is just what I'm using. So I'm using a lip liner. This is a MAC lip liner in Spice. So what I do is I start at the top and I start at the side here and I do my normal line. Like that. And now I do the other side. Okay, now here's where it's different. Instead of making the V for my Cupid's bow, I just go straight across and I make sure I fill all that in. So watch this. Okay, it looks crazy right now, but just wait. Now I do the bottom line where I just go right barely under. And then I connect up. And make sure that's really opaque. And I like to draw in the far sides. Something like that. Okay. Super crazy, I know. So once I've done that, then I'm going to take my color, which today I'm using a Tarte Rainforest Sea in Set Sail. And I'm going to put that all over. Like that. Now I'm going to go back in with my liner and just make sure it's all cohesive. And then I'd like to take a little bit lighter of a color, so I'm going to use Bite Beauty's color in Honeycomb. It's a lighter nude for the middle. So that's what I have now. What I sometimes will do, not always, will take a little bit of concealer, put it on the back of my hand, take a flat brush. This is a flat concealer brush. Take a little bit on the brush, and I do mean a little. And you can clean up any edges that you're not liking. Perfect. And there you go. So, it's not the look for everyone. I personally love it. I find it makes my mouth look more of a pout. Sometimes as we age and it gets thinner, we tend to have more of the droopy look or more like an angry look. And I find this one gives it enough that you don't feel like that. That's my opinion. Now, if you find like you're missing that Cupid's bow, like I said, I don't do this every time, but you could always take a little bit of your thing and just bring it back a little bit. But the roundness stay useful. So that's what I just, a little tip I do. I don't do it all the time, but when I really want to be extra, that's what I do. And I actually really like it. And I hope you enjoyed this and found this tip helpful. And let me know if it's something you would try. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.